CSP Certified Safety Professional Certification, that is a path to greater recognition, global recognition, a gold star occupational health and safety certificate, and more opportunities in occupational health and safety sector. After acquiring this certificate, you show your expertise, your knowledge in environmental management, international law related to occupational health and safety, and industrial hygiene. There are many misunderstandings in the market. What is BCSP role in CSP? What is prerequisite, preliminary requirements? What is eligibility criteria, fee structure, exam structure? These questions are all the time in circle among all safety groups. Today's clip is going to kill all these doubts for you. And at the end, we are going to share 7 important questions to make you feel how CSP exam looks like in real. So stay with us and watch this video until end. How to pass CSP exam, Certified Safety Professional Certification. Here you can see BCSP Board of Certified Safety Professionals that is located in Indiana, USA state. Since 1969, it has delivered more than 100,000 credentials all over the world. Certifications provided by BCSP have big worth, highly recognized. CSP, Certified Safety Professional Certificate, has big worth in all occupational health and safety sectors. ASP, Associate Safety Professional, or TSP, Transitional Safety Practitioner, or GSP, Graduate Safety Practitioner, these certificates are providing you route towards CSP. These are preliminary requirement. And there are different other certifications like CIT, Certified Instructional Trainer, and SMS, Safety Management Specialist. And same way there are some construction related certifications. Many people ask us, what is eligibility criteria for CSP? So guys, let me make it clear that CSP route is divided in 2 different ways, and for engineers and for non-engineers. If you have engineering degree, then your route will be different. You will come through ASP. And if you are non-engineer, then another way, that is to become GSP or TSP. Here you can see I have made eligibility criteria quite simple for you. These 3 steps you have to meet. You have to go for to have some bachelor degree, you have to show it, and this should be equivalent to United States system. So you need to pick a certificate first, then you need to show your eligibility by having bachelor degree and 4 years experience. And out of 4 years experience, you must have that experience relevant to occupational health and safety. Minimum 50% role should be as occupational health and safety practitioner. Then you have to show credentials. International diploma in NIBOSH is equivalent to ASP. It will give you TSP status. Same way, different international diplomas are available in market. Those will give you a route to become TSP, Transitional Safety Practitioner. So after getting that certification, you will have 1 year to apply for CSP. When you are going to apply for TSP, you need to pay $25 only. And afterwards for CSP, when you are going to purchase CSP exam, you $350. So that is not big amount. If you compare it with other international certifications, $350, those are not as compared to recognition, very minimal amount. Then you have to maintain your certification after passing CSP exam. You need to maintain it for next 5 years before you go for retake after 5 years. So in coming years, you have to pay $180 only to maintain your CSP. And in to score 25 points every year, you have to keep your professional development alive. So beauty of this certification is to provide you a path towards recognition and success as well, and personal growth and industrial recognition. So you will pick a certificate, you will show eligibility, you will submit an application online, you will make one profile on BCSP website that is shown here, bcsp.org, and you can buy your certification by paying $350. You can buy your certification eligibility, and then you have to sit in exam, that is computer based exam, in Pearson VUE authorized center. Those are available all over the world. In Saudi Arabia it is available, in Riyadh, in Jeddah, in different parts. Pearson VUE, you need to book this center at least 3 to 4 weeks, because there is so much rush sometimes, because they are conducting different other certifications as well, right? So after booking your certificate, your exam, you can sit in Pearson VUE center, and on after taking this exam you will get your results same day, even soon after submitting your exam. Within 3 to 4 minutes you will get your report of pass or fail. Here now let me make it clear how exam looks like. You can see CSP exam is little mature exam as compared to ASP. In ASP domains are 9, but all these domains are not to that depth level, not to that understanding level as they are in CSP. Here one domain is additional, almost other domains are similar, only there is difference of practicality or application or your understanding. But this one clause, one module is different from ASP, that is advanced application of key safety concepts. So it is a wide topic, you have to study a lot for it. There are different books available, different applications available, but I'll suggest you to go for OSHA website and EPA website. These are quite helpful. I passed this exam in very first go. The reason behind that, my achievement, you can say, was these two websites. I'll give credit to OSHA and EPA website. But I have summarized some books there. Those are quite useful. Some applications helpful for students to prepare yourself, to make yourself ready for CSP or even ASP exam in very short time, within few months. SPAN is there, Mometrics is there for practice, and above these all there is one book, David Yates, and there is one book, Roger Brewer. Why I am saying Roger Brewer or Yates, and same way there is one book very useful, David Gaucher, that is also quite a useful book. These books, your foundation, your understanding, they enrich your approach. That is quite vital, that is quite useful, that is quite a needed kind of thing in order to pass CSP exam. Without depth of knowledge, without a thorough understanding, it is not easy game, by the way. But it is also not very, if you go and you read these books like at least once, you need to go through these all books, and OSHA website and EPA website. And if you can have someone as mentor or trainer, that will also be quite useful. Here I have brought some questions for you. As per 8 codes of ethics by BCSP, we are not allowed to share BCSP any certification questions. Here you can see when you are going to sit for CSP exam, you need to score 140 out of 200 for CSP. BSP exam is also here, you can see it is based on 200 question in 5 hours, but CSP is having 5 hours and 30 minutes. So 330 minutes you have for 200 questions, multiple choice questions. But these multiple choice questions are not like direct questions, they are based on your thorough understanding. So be ready, make practice, make practice, and you must have some expertise in using calculator because there are some calculations. Here you can see questions. First question you can see here is about analytical report collected for one guy in breathing zone that is close to your mouth, where you can inhale something. The guy is inhaling methanol, molecular weight is given, and here simple calculation is involved, that is ppm to milligram per cubic meter. So you have to shift milligram per. It's quite easy. It's quite easy. Now it is your time to answer me these questions in comment box so that we can have little discussion. Second question is about reading Boolean expression, that is in your college or even in your high school science you have read this, how to read Boolean expression. And these questions are sometimes directly asked in ASP exam as well, right? So aerobic capacity related question is there, some definition can appear in exam in question number 3. Question number 4, it is also some investigation related question. You need to have thorough understanding on investigation. Then question is about employees disability type. These all things are mentioned in OSHA. If you go through OSHA website, you will get all this information, and in books which I have mentioned previously, you will get this data. Then one question is about safety sampling related question, and this question is also quite useful to make your understanding about CSP, how it looks like. Exam will be like this. CSP is having habit of eating 2 fried eggs per day. So here we are going to have probability calculation. So probability calculation, if our sample size is less than 5, then we can go for Python probability. I do believe here 1 out of 1. So Python is there. So you need to know how we can calculate number of probability of having 2 yolk eggs, 5 yolk eggs. So these kind of practice questions are available in different books, and also different mentors are in this market, those can help you. So I'll suggest you study more, explore more, and understand maximum. Understanding is the vital key to success. Soon we are also going to launch our trainings for ASP and for CSP as well, and we are always available here on this forum and on LinkedIn. Your help and approach us, because BCSP, they believe like we should help each other as in good faith. Good CSP must share these all understandings with his fellow men, because the main purpose is not only certification. Main purpose is to promote safety in workplace. So stay tuned, keep on watching Ask Asady, and bring your answers in comment section. Fi amanillah.